Exciting news! To better support our apprentices and employer sponsors, SkilledTradesBC has launched a new self-service portal. The new SkilledTradesBC portal will replace the current system and will provide an improved experience and easier access to skilled trades and apprenticeship information for all customers. You can access your information at home, at work, or on the move. The portal is easy to use, fast and mobile-friendly, simple to move around from screen to screen and access the information you need. Apprentices and sponsors will benefit from the new self-service features, allowing you to make requests to customer service and easily manage the apprenticeships and certification pathways from this all-in-one system online. The SkilledTradesBC portal will save you time and provide you with an enhanced experience.